Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro, and today I will show you how you can remove tempered glass from your screen. It's very simple. All you have to do is just to simply put your fingernail underneath this tempered glass. But let's turn off the screen at the first. So let's make it like that. Let's start from one of the edge. Put it like that, and then make it another time. And then you can move it smoothly to the another edge, like that. And then just simply take it off. Remember to do it slowly. Don't break glass. And voila, it's finished. So as you can see, there it is, the tempered glass. And here we got our smartphone. So as you can see, it was very simple. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.